Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Kazem and in this video I'm planning to install a code editor called VSCode. In the last 40 videos we have used online editor for our code and in this video I'm planning to install a code editor called VSCode or Visual Studio Code. A editor can make our coding a lot easier. It's going to make we can use it to create bigger apps, bigger application with less time, and it's super easier to manage your file using code editor. In order to install it, first you need to go to the website code.visualstudio.com, and then if you don't understand, you can just type VS Code in the search bar, and you're going to choose the first search result. Okay, the front page of this thing, we have a button called Download for Windows. We can just click on over here, or if you want to install or download it, install for other OS such as Mac OS, Windows, or Linux, we can just click on these icons. After we download this app, we need to install it. I'm going to use a Windows Sandbox in order to install it for you from the beginning because I have it already installed in my Windows. I don't want to remove it. So in order to install this VS Code, if I click on the installer and I need to choose I accept the agreement and the next part and the next part, next, and then you can choose create a desktop icon for it. If you want to add open with code action to your Windows Explorer, you need to check this mark as well. And because I don't want to add this part to my app Windows, I don't want to add this. If you want it, you can just check this part and then next and then install. It doesn't take too long time to install it, and if I wait for some time you will see that it will be installed super fast. And as you see, it's already installed. And if I click on finish, you will see that the app would be started by itself. And this is a VS Code, a local code editor that we can run our code in it. Super convenient and super fast and super lightweight code editor. And in this part, we can choose the themes as well, for example, light or dark or light as well. And this is a file explorer. And in the next video, I'm going to plan to deep dive in this VS Code stuff. And thanks for watching and happy coding.